Hi everyone, this is Top 3D Shop, and in this video we will talk about the Nexa3D NXE 200 and NXE 400 industrial grade resin 3D printers. Nexa3D is a company that specializes in high-speed resin 3D printers. The key feature of Nexa3D machines is the Lubricant Sublayer Photo-curing technology, or LSPc for short. The technology allows printing an object without lifting the build platform for adding the next portion of the resin, as in other stereolithography technologies. The absence of intermediate upward movements is the base for a sharp increase in print speed and accuracy, while the surface of the model becomes perfectly smooth and free of visible boundaries between layers. The NXE 400 is one of the fastest resin 3D printers in the world, printing at up to 10 mm per minute. The machine also generates extremely high print accuracy. The surfaces of models printed on the NXE 400 are extremely smooth and comparable with casted parts. With a large build area of 275 by 155 by 400 mm, this printer is an ideal tool for a wide variety of applications, from prototyping to mass production. The new model in Nexa3D's lineup, the NXE 200, is in fact a modification of the NXE 400 with a smaller print volume but the same width and height of the build area. Both NXE models are MSLA machines powered by a 4K monochrome LCD light engine with the pixel size of 76.5 microns. The resin is cured layer by an array of UV LEDs with a light wavelength of 405 nanometers. LSPc technology allows the production of parts with a layer thickness of 50, 100, or 200 microns. NXE 200 and NXE 400 use the Nexa3D proprietary software, supporting such file formats as STL and 3MF and running on Windows. File transfer to the printer's memory is carried out via a wireless connection or an Ethernet local area network. A color touchscreen located above the build chamber of the device is used to control the operating modes of the machine. Nexa3D offers a range of proprietary materials developed in collaboration with Henkel, Keystone, and BASF. The list of consumables includes many types of resins, including general purpose, flexible, high-strength engineering, temperature-resistant photopolymers, as well as dental resins. The Nexa3D lineup also includes two devices for post-processing the finished parts, the X-Wash and the X-Cure stations. Both devices operate in automatic mode. This is Top 3D Shop with the Nexa3D NXE 200 and NXE 400 high-performance resin 3D printers overview. Subscribe to our channel, leave your comments below, and hit the like button if you've enjoyed the video. See you soon!